Friday, you guys. I hope you are having a wonderful day today, that you've had an outstanding week and you're looking for a fun-filled, safe weekend, okay? Your girl is here today to bring you a different kind of video where I am sitting down in front of you on camera, which is somewhat rare these days because I haven't been on camera, but your girl is here today. Hello, 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 hello. As you can see, I'm a bit of a goofball, which is why I don't get in front of the camera that much at all, because I'm just so goofy. I'm a kid at heart, you guys. So anyway, I'm here today to bring you a mini thrift haul of some of the beautiful gems that I found at my local thrift store. For those of you who's been with me since like the beginning of time, you guys know I am an avid thrifter. I've cut it out of my life pretty much almost all of this year because I had been doing some purging and I finally got my house almost completely clutter-free, almost, not quite. Here recently, within the last month, I think it's been, I have been sneaking out and going to the thrift stores again, and I just found some pieces that I just could not pass up for the price, and I have gotten rid of a lot of my old decor and I'm trying to change things out. So I went ahead and picked them up and I brought them back here so I could share them with you so you guys can see that thrifting is really, not only is it satisfying for someone like me, but it's a really good option if you're on a budget or you just don't want to spend a whole lot of money at a retail store for decor pieces that are sometimes overpriced. You know, you could go to a thrift store and find a lovely decor piece or even clothing or houseware and sometimes even furniture at the thrift stores that are almost like brand new, and sometimes they are brand new. You just have to keep looking. You have to have that patience to be willing to scavenge through all of this stuff to find the gems. And if you're able to do that and you don't mind secondhand, then thrifting may be your thing. So you might want to check it out the next time instead of buying at a retail to see if you can find a nice little piece at the thrift store and save yourself some money. There's nothing wrong with saving money and using that money somewhere else in your life or on something else that matters even more than like home decor or whatever it is you went to the thrift store for. I'm going to share with you today some of my beautiful pieces that I picked up and that I'm so proud and so happy with. It's not many because like I said, I'm trying to scale back, but what I do have, I want to share with you guys. So let's get started and let's go ahead and look at these beautiful pieces. All right, guys, first things up on our scavenger hunt. Our first finds were these two beautiful canvas art pieces here. They are so gorgeous, you guys, and they are large. And can you believe I paid $4.99 each? $5 each basically for two beautiful pieces like this. Let me show you the back of the frame so that you can see the price. And if you guys look close, let me see if I can zoom in. You can see at the very top near the hanging piece, the price that they write on there. Down here, they write on the merchandise, which I think is annoying at times, but however, whatever. It's still a great deal. Most times it's like with a dry erase marker so it can wipe right off. But $4.99, as you can see the price at the very top. Okay, you guys, the next item that I got from the thrift store is this big pot of flowers that needs to be cleaned for sure, but they were the fall colors. And I love them. They're like dried flowers. They're a good quality. They're just a little dusty, but a little soap and water should be able to clean that off with no problem. But more so than anything, it was the pot. I purchased it because of this pot. Look at this pot, you guys. And I got it for this price, $7.99. Looks like it has some writing on it. A child or something probably write on it. And as you can see, it's coming off with no problem, so I'll probably just take that off. But look at it. It has the handles on the sides, the detailing of it. It really looks like a ceramic, not a ceramic, but a stone pot, doesn't it? But it's not. It's like a resin or something like that. It's not that heavy at all. But yeah. And so you can see the little dust, little particles on the flowers. But you guys, this is not bad. I plan on probably, if I don't keep these flowers, I plan on maybe changing them out, inserting some new florals into this pot. And I don't know, but I just could not pass it up for the pot alone for the price. So that was the next find, you guys. All right, now our next treasures are these beautiful glass wooden lanterns. These were the first pieces that I actually thrifted the beginning of the summer, I believe it was, or midsummer. And I kind of just had them sitting around to the side of the house waiting for the fall time so that I can incorporate them into my decor. And you guys know I love lanterns, and when I saw these, I was like, oh my goodness, these are gorgeous. But honey, when I saw the prices of these lanterns, it was a definitely given that they were coming home with me. So I'm gonna give you a little close-up of them. Carrying is open there. It has a latch, of course, so you can open it up and put in whatever you want to put in. The metal bottom, and the same is for that one as well. Guys, let's check the price. The price is on the bottom. So I'm gonna try to do this without dropping the camera. See that? $3.98. Not bad, you guys. $3.98 for that one. This one was, see how tall it is? This one is like 4 something, I believe. Okay, hold on 1 second. I have to prop it against the wall. But quickly, $4.48. $4.48 for that one. So again, $4.48, $3.98. Thrifted. I'm telling you guys. I'm just trying to tell you. I'm just trying to let you in on a little secret. The next thing I have is this beautiful Decor mirror that is gorgeous. This camera's not doing it any justice, you guys, I promise you. And it is super freaking heavy, which I'm really tripping right now because I have it sitting in my parsing chair, and I'm hoping it doesn't cut down through there. So I'm gonna really quickly show you. Try to get up close so you can see a little bit of the detailing. And it is made of metal. You hear that? It has just the right amount of gold on there. It's just like a touch of gold. And this is just beautiful, you guys. But I haven't cleaned it yet, so you can see the smudges on the mirror, but that is fine. Let me show you the back so you can see where it is from and how much it costs me. Same mirror, just flipped over. Same one, but look, from Kirkland, our favorite place, Kirkland's. Originally $129.99, and I got it thrifted for $24.99. You guys, you see that? I'm just trying to tell you, like, I'm trying to put you guys on a way to save your coins and still get genuine, beautiful pieces for less. Like, why not share some information like that? You know, sharing is caring. So anyway, these are the majority of the beautiful pieces that I've thrifted. Oh, I also thrifted, but then I DIY'd. I'm gonna share with you real quick these other pieces. So when I got them, they didn't look the way that you're going to see them. I actually did a DIY with them for the baby shower, and so they don't really look like you would normally see them. So maybe I had a video, so maybe if I could find a video, I would insert it in here some kind of way. And you can see how they were and how they became the way that they look right now. If not, then you can kind of get the idea, but they were like 2 different candle holders that I put together and created this look. These here, you guys, this gold piece right here, just this piece, these were candle holders that you could put pillars on. And this particular glass piece was a candle holder that I, of course, put bling on and E6000 it together to this one to make that look right there. So I have another one just like it over here as well. Yes, like I was saying, you guys, definitely check out those thrift stores. You can find beautiful pieces for like less. Matter of fact, the Parson chair that you guys saw that mirror in was thrifted. Let me show you how much I paid for it. I got 2 of them. The Parson chair I was talking about is a dining chair. I keep calling it a Parson chair, but I think that's what they're called. And it's light. It's really nice, right? It's not bad at all. And I paid each, I think fine because I didn't ever get the price off, $9.99. $9.99 each, and I got 2 chairs. And I need to wipe that off. Now you saw it yourself, you guys. Y'all saw it, right? They are amazing treasures. Like, they're beautiful, and they were like basically free. Like, they were so cheap, they were basically free. I think the most costly thing that I show you was that mirror, which was originally $130, but I only paid $25 for it. And the least cheap thing that I showed you was I think the smaller lantern, which was $3.98. So like I said, basically free. And I know I have at least over $200 worth of stuff that I just showed you guys if it was to be at retail. So thrift, you guys. Thrift before you buy. At least look, try it, you know, give it a chance. It may be for you, it may not be for you. Either or, I just want to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs it up and come back really, really soon for more amazing DIYs and videos of other things. Until next time, you guys, peace, love, and blessings. Mwah! Bye-bye.